everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1955 Ford F100. Awesome truck, guys. I bought it here locally from a guy who lives right down the street. He built this truck 8 years ago. Put 14,000 miles on it. I loved his attitude. He said, man, I didn't build this thing to trailer it around. He said, I built it to drive it. And I probably put 20 miles on this truck. It's a blast. Again, 8-year-old complete custom frame off build. It's finished in Viper yellow. It's got a gray leather interior in it. It's all the way down right now. This is a, it's got Ride Tech Technologies air ride suspension on it. You can see it's got the wicked cool like a two-tone flame on it, and man, just a fun truck, man. Mustang II front suspension, disc brakes, air, just a pounding 390 underneath the hood. Just a fun truck to drive. Yes, you can nitpick it. Like I say, he's put 14,000 miles on it. There's little stone pecks on it. We had to get the bugs off of it. Some little touch-up marks, and I've also ordered, it's Viper yellow, so I've ordered a paint stick for it, but still very nice truck. Just a lot of fun, man, and it's got a lot of cool stuff. Like I say, air ride, Mustang II front suspension, disc brakes, power rack and pinion steering, air. It's a 390 C6 with a shift kit in it. Cool truck. Flip front end on the front, which works with one hand. It's awesome. Electric wipers, power cowl vent, power windows. Fun truck, man. And the only reason Gary sold it, guys, unfortunately, his back has gotten bad on him. This is a hydraulic bed cover. It's all push button on the column. His back got bad, so he couldn't drive it. Again, that's about the worst of it. I seen a crack right there. But man, super cool truck. And again, I have ordered a paint pen for it. It's a little touch-up mark there. All steel truck. This thing's pretty cool. It's all hydraulic push button. Custom roll panel here in the back. 15-gallon fuel cell in it. Again, he's moved it here to the rear fender. BF Goodrich GForce TA rubber all the way around it. Those are 16 and 17-inch steel wheels with the little baby moons on it and the caps. Love that look. It's just a fun truck, man. Like I said, I drove it around, and I'm telling you, people went nuts. Love it. And it's all Ford. So you guys who don't like the Chevy drivetrains in them, this one's all Ford. Again, it's all the way down on the air ride. We'll put it up here before we drive it. It's all 4-corner air ride suspension. You can see it's got a shut-off switch in the inner fender, as well as a battery hookup to keep it on a battery tender while it's in storage. You can go ahead and open the doors and open that deck lid too. Again, healthy 390, Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock polished aluminum intake. You can see it's got Saunderson ceramic block hugger headers. Cobra valve covers, vintage AC that blows ice cold, aluminum radiator with a flex fan. Again, this hood just functions easy as can be. I know sometimes guys say they can't get it to work. This one you can do with one hand. MSD Pro Billet distributor in there. Those flames are just super cool, man. C6 automatic trans with a shift kit in it. Again, air blows cold, electric wipers. It's got the dual chrome mirrors, power windows, new door handles. Again, all custom gray leather in here. It's got the high back buckets. Tilt column, Lecarra billet steering wheel. Yes, it's got cruise, and yes, it works. Headliner's nice. It's got a VDO gauge cluster on it. $14,795 on your odometer. All the dash light works. The Lokar digital here lights up. Again, this is for that hydraulic rear. To the left is down, middle is halfway up where we got it now, to the right is fully extended. Power cowl vent. Again, it's got a Sony sound system in it. Lokar shifter. The VIN number is in the glove box like it should be. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It has a 10-bolt rear end with a, I think he said a 270 posi unit in it. There's a little thing, he said something was in there and scratched his paint. But again, wood bed, this is all hydraulic. Super cool. Hit the button all the way to the left and it'll go down. Again, that was halfway up. Car's been at Autorama, placed at Autorama. It's been on the cover of the Woodward Dream Cruise calendar. It's gonna be tough to see underneath because we got these, we got it all the way down. But I got some pictures of the bottom of it. Wicked cool truck. Doors open and close real nice. Yeah, if you're looking for something fun to drive, like I say, I'd get in this thing, turn the key and point the direction and go. It drives just wicked cool driver. There's your air ride. He's got a little card there for what to set it at. Billet pedals, again, Lokar shifter. Go ahead, fire it up, Mike. Dual chrome mirrors. Nice little cam in it. Put your air out. Cut it back off. Close ice hole. Thing just hits, man. Great sound. And like I say, this hood functions exactly the way it should. Just turn it, set it down, little push, thing locks right down. That's a cool truck, man. Wicked cool truck. Again, gauges work, dash lights work. You can see the oil, it's got good oil pressure. All your little indicators and everything in here work. Doors open and close nice. Brake lights. Third brake light. Turn signals. Great sound. Radio works. Nope. Oh, you just changed the function. It works, so it all works. I'd say blower motor works. Electric wipers, it work. They work. Wipers. Hit that cowl vent. Keep going, yep, keep pushing. No, he's putting it back down. I'll put it up when I take it for a ride. Again, very cool truck. Headlights. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys, you can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.